please share this video with them. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It's Fit Fishing, baby, and we out here. And we fit fishing Rancho Jurupa today. Corn power bait, garlic power bait, trout magnets. We might throw the Rooster Tails on in a minute. Very crowded out here. We got elbow to elbow all the way around the lake. So we trying to get in where we fit in. Birthday fishing, always a good time. Advocating manhood, fatherhood, positive coping strategies. Get you a fishing pole, find you a lake, and get the fishing. And we're back. What's up, you guys? Arvel, the Fit Realtor. We out here having a good time. We got baits in the water. It's pretty dope. We trying to see what we can do. Yep, yeah. So we gonna work it out. And we're back, Arvel, the Fit Realtor, Bear, Kimani, we're back. Rancho Jurupa Regional Park, Riverside, California, on a Saturday. We celebrating birthdays today. Arvel, the Fit Realtor, 45 years old, celebrating birthdays. So we doing some birthday fishing. Rancho Jurupa Regional Park, we on this trout. They stocked January 3rd, that's what the internet said. So we're gonna go see what we can do. But the park is very crowded. So crowded. I mean, sure to sure's people out there. So hopefully we can get a spot at least, do some birthday fishing, and pull some fish in and put them in the basket. Good times, always a good time. See you at the water. See all these cars, you guys. People on the shoreline, almost elbow to elbow out there. So we're gonna try to squeeze in, see if we can get a good spot, and pull some fish out of there. Good times. All right, you guys, look like we got a problem. We might not have no space. It's elbow to elbow out here. I don't really see anywhere to fish, especially because there's 3 of us. So we may have to take a walk. I'd rather take a walk to the right than to the left from here. So let's see what we can do. Maybe over there by that boulder. I don't know. Good times. All right, you guys, we found us a hole in between a bunch of people. We're gonna get our baits ready. We're gonna power bait it. We're gonna jig it out a little bit. Right here on this back side of the playground. We're gonna get it in because it's always a good time. Fit fishing, baby. And we out here. All right, Bear, tell them where we at, what we doing.
We are Rancho Jurupa right now, about to jig for some trout and put up some PowerBait out there. Let's see what we get.
All right, what you using? What kind of PowerBait you using?
Some garlic worm PowerBait. Right
okay,
here.
Garlic worm. We're gonna get that in. We got the little split shot rig going, so we're gonna get that on there and out. Good times. All right, you guys, here's our rig. We got the size, I think 12 or 14 treble hook, about 2.5 feet up. We got the split shot, little bitty split shot, so we're not fishing far. We got our ready to fish trout rig here. So we're using that. Then right here, we got the little Shakespeare, the white one and the gray Shakespeare with the same get up. Bear got the garlic power bait, so we're gonna get that on there. We're gonna cast straight out and see what we can do. Always a good time. All right, Bear's gonna get his out. He got the garlic with the earthworm. All right, Alright you guys, I got the split shot. I got the corn PowerBait with the earthworm. Alright you guys, Kimani's jigging with the white trout magnet. Show him the trout magnet, Kimani. Alright you guys, she got the white trout magnet. So we out here. She gonna jig that out. Show him how to do it. Got his line. You're going to have to come on this side. You got his line. It's fit fishing, baby, and we out here. And we fit fishing Rancho Jurupa today. Corn PowerBait, garlic PowerBait, trout magnets. We might throw the Rooster Tails on in a minute. Very crowded out here. We got elbow to elbow all the way around the lake. So we trying to get in where we fit in. Birthday fishing, always a good time. Advocating manhood, fatherhood, positive coping strategies. Get you a fishing pole, find you a lake, and get to fishing. All right, you guys, Bear's over here getting his jig on. Trying to see what he could do with the white trout magnet sitting in this cove right here. Might be a few fish over here. I think this is where they actually stock at. They're getting it in. There you go. You see how he's flipping that tip of the pole, and that makes the jig look like it's actually swimming in the water. So you got to remember to flip the tip, make that jig look alive in the water, make that trout more likely to hit it. Good times. All right, you guys, we're getting ready to try out this red trout magnet on this, what is that? Little gray Shakespeare pole, little red trout magnet. Bear got the white one on, getting ready to put this one on this other pole. Kimani gonna try this one out. We're gonna see what we can do on that. Good times. Okay, Kimani's gonna start back jigging. She got the red trout magnet. Go ahead. You don't have to flip the bar. It'll come automatically once you start reeling. Okay, you guys, the hot spot is usually right across the way there where you see those guardrails. That's the hot spot. It must be a little deeper right there, all along that top shore. That's where you always see people catching right there. We got here a little too late today, so we didn't get a spot over there. But Bear's over there. He snuck in there a little bit. He's getting some jigging going, so we'll see if he pulls something out of there. Good times. All right, you guys, 45 years old, so I got to do my birthday push-ups. That's 45 for the next return. Here we go. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. All right. The red trout magnet, let's get it in. Fit fishing, baby. Fit Fish in the Inland Empire. Go to our merch store below. Caught up on the leaves. All right, you guys, there's not a lot of people that come to this smaller lake at Rancho Jurupa, but I'm gonna show you around a little bit. You hear all the wildlife. This lake is pretty much neglected most of the time, but I see some people throwing lures for bass. and stuff like that. I think it's a few bass in here, who knows what else. But the water's a lot clearer than the other lake. You can see right in the water right here. It looks like a little channel here. A few ducks. Look like a little island. It's a nice lake. I wonder why they don't stock it. There's got to be something in here. See the ducks hanging out. So anyway, little tour of the small lake. They don't stock this lake anymore. I'm not sure why. But a lot of weeds. I don't see any small fish in here. Got some handicap access. Okay. This small lake here. Oh, it has a little stream. This small lake has a little stream. I guess it comes from there and it goes down into here. And this must go to the river. Nice little stream. That's pretty cool there. So that water's coming from this bigger part of the small lake. Clear water. Clear running water. It's Fit Fishing, baby, and we out here. Fit Fishing, Rancho Jurupa Regional Park. I'm at the little lake. Or I should say the ghost town. They don't stock over here. Nobody comes over here. But it's still a good time.
I'm not catching anything.
All right, Bear, tell them how you doing over there with the jig and what's going on over there.
People are catching. They have like 3, 4, 5, 2, 4 fish. They got, they're catching, they're getting bites. I didn't get any yet. But it's okay, it's cool over there.
Explain to them where they're catching fish at.
They're catching fish by that rail right there. So if you're standing at the rail you're standing at the rail, then you go that way, and then you could catch all along right there, about like 30 feet.
All right, good times. Okay, so if you come to Rancho Jurupa, you got to get here early, especially after they stock, or else it's going to be too crowded. It's going to be hard to get in where you fit in. If you look behind me, you see that guardrail all the way to those two big trees. That top shoreline right there, that northern shoreline is packed because that's where all the fish are. Dude did just catch one right behind me in between those two boulders. But you see every now and then somebody will catch one there. But really that shoreline right there is where they're catching them. You got to get here early though. And it's elbow to elbow. Alright, Bear caught a crawdad, you guys. Rancho Jurupa. Crawdad was floating around in the water. He went and netted it. Pretty big too. I wonder if somebody put it in there. What you think, Bear?
Maybe, I don't know. There are cracks all around the things in the lake, so could be.
I guess so. Alright, you guys, these fellas over here in this little cove are having some luck on the jigs. They just pulled out 2 in the last 5 minutes. Maybe we'll go jig over there. Good times. Alright, so we're going old school on one of our rigs. We got the bobber with the old-fashioned earthworm out there. So it's floating along. We'll see how that works out. Anyway, we're just taking it easy. Nice day to be on the lake, celebrating life, celebrating goals, celebrating progress, success. The 45th return. Glad to be here, glad to be alive, chasing my dreams, following my dreams, staying true to my core values and my life task. What's your core values? What's your life task? Share with us in the comments below. Fit fishing, baby.
I'm glad I did, though, because one of his puppies got out. Arvel, he gave the whole litter the shot at 7.5 weeks. I gave my dog the shot literally like 4 days prior, like a week and a half, 7 weeks. The whole litter died besides her. Arvel? They're fucking papered and everything, bro. He was like, yeah, heartbroken. Yeah, he tried to gain the money.
That green and orange, the one that Diamond Valley was in.
Him?
Yeah, that green half orange?
Yeah.
That's the one he's throwing right now.
I'll go check back over. Yeah.
Remember, let it go down a little bit and then play with it again.
Arvel the Fit Realtor, good times. Bear, always a good time. Rancho Jurupa today on a Saturday. We birthday fishing and we're out. Arvel the Fit Realtor, good times. Bear, always a good time. Birthday fishing, always winning. Here's to 2024 and we're out. It's Fit Fishing, baby, and it's always a good time. No trout today, but we got a crawdad. And we're out. And you already know what it is. It's Fit Fishing, baby. And we out here. Peace, you guys. Arvel the Fit Realtor back with another Sunday motivation. And today's Sunday motivation comes from a quote that I found. And this quote deals with negative people. And this quote says, the less you respond to negative people, the more peaceful your life will become. The less you respond to negative people, the more peaceful your life will become. And life is already hard for us. Life already has its dark moments. We are always one foot in front of the other, looking for the light, following our path on our success journey. And what makes our success journey so hard is when, in addition to the natural dark moments, other people make your path dark. And these people make your path dark with their own negativity. And as you struggle to stay positive and stay focused, these negative people can input their darkness into your world and start turning your world more dark than it already is. So as we seek the light and we run across these negative people with their darkness, we need to not respond to them and their darkness, their dark moments of negativity. If we know that they are negative, we want to stay away from them as much as possible. In some situations, we work with these people. We may have to interact with these people on the daily, but if we know that they're negative, we want to keep that strictly professional and not entertain their negativity any time that we really don't have to. What we want to do is stay walking towards the people that bring us light and happiness and joy and put smiles on our faces, instead of the people that are negative and want to bring us down into their own negativity. So the less you respond to negative people, the less you be around these negative people, the less you pay attention to these negative people, the more peaceful your life will become. So keep your eyes on the prize, keep walking towards the light, and this is today's Sunday motivation. I am Arvel the Fit Realtor. Peace.